Data structure interview questions on arrays. In this video, we will understand the concept of multi-dimensional array. First of all, we will understand what is multi-dimensional array. Number 1. A multi-dimensional array is an array that contains other arrays. Number 2. It extends the concept of a one-dimensional array, which is a linear collection of elements. In multiple dimensions, the organization of data is in a grid-like structure. Number 3. The concept of a multi-dimensional array is best understood by visualizing it as a table or grid, where each element can be identified by its position in the table using multiple indices. Let's understand two-dimensional array. Two-dimensional array is essentially an array of arrays, where each element in the main array is itself an array. In a two-dimensional array, elements are organized into rows and columns, forming a grid-like structure. Accessing elements in a two-dimensional array requires specifying both the row index and the column index. Let's understand the syntax of two-dimensional array. In many programming languages, including JavaScript, the syntax for declaring and initializing a two-dimensional array involves using nested square brackets. In this example, grid is a two-dimensional array, also known as a grid or a matrix. It is essentially an array of arrays, where each inner array represents a row of elements. The variable grid is assigned an array containing 3 inner arrays. Each inner array represents a row of elements in the grid, and the elements within each inner array represent the column of the grid. Now, we will understand how to access elements in two-dimensional array. Elements in a two-dimensional array are accessed by specifying the row index and column index, separated by square brackets. For example, we have grid which has rows. First row is 1, 2, 3, second row is 4, 5, 6, and third row is 7, 8, 9. Grid square bracket 1 accesses the second inner array in the grid array, which represents the second row, that is 4, 5, 6. And grid square bracket 1 square bracket 2 accesses the third element in the array, which is 6. Therefore, grid square bracket 1 square bracket 2 gives us the element located in the second row and third column of the grid array, which in this case is 6. Two-dimensional arrays are commonly used to represent grids, matrices, tables, or any other two-dimensional data structure. They are used in various applications such as image processing, game development, for representing game boards, spreadsheet programs, etc. Now we will understand higher dimensional array. Beyond 2 dimensions, multi-dimensional arrays can have 3 or more dimensions. For example, a 3-dimensional array can be visualized as a cube of elements, with each element having coordinates in 3 dimensions. For example, row, column, depth. Overall, multi-dimensional arrays provide a convenient way to organize and work with structured data in multiple dimensions, allowing for more complex data representations and computations in programming.